Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, Stylish Hobby, and where I put together an outfit with shoes that just released. And today we're going to be doing a different video, a little bit different. And we're going to be doing an unboxing and review on the new PS5 that just released on November 12th, 2020. And I believe the pre-orders for the PS5 were on September 17th, 2020. For this console, I got the regular console, so two of them released. It was the regular console for $4.99. And then the digital console with the black box, that one released on the same day, the pre-order, but it was, I believe, $3.99. So I got the regular console, and I believe I paid $4.99 plus the taxes and everything came out to, I believe, $5.33. So I know it was a little bit pricey, but I believe it's worth it, because by looking at the box, it looks like a beautiful console, and I'm so excited to actually unbox this with you guys. So getting right into it, I'm gonna actually lay the box down like this so I can be able to take the contents out. So guys, I'm really excited because I really didn't think that I was gonna get my hands on the new PS5. It was weird because I was actually on my phone the day they started the pre-orders, and I saw that my friend posted on his Instagram that he was actually getting the pre-order for his. So I actually went to Target and Walmart and I believe GameStop, and they were all sold out by the time I went online. So I was really bummed out. I was like, oh man, I'm not gonna be able to get my hands on it. But then I went on Best Buy, and because I don't shop a lot at Best Buy, I had to make an account. So I made my account and I got in and I got my PS5. So I was so excited. I was feeling so lucky that day because I said, wow, I knew a lot of people, and a lot of people that weren't able to get their hands on the PS5. So I felt really lucky, and that's why I needed to do this video for you guys, because I wanted to share this experience with you guys. So by the looks of it, this first little box that I'm taking out, I believe this is the remote, I'm guessing. Yeah, so this is the remote. And then as you guys can see here, it's just the instructions, the PS5 instructions. So let's take that out. And then it has these two like cords. I believe that's like for the remote and things like that. So let's take the remote out first, because I want you guys to see it. And I want to see it too. So, oh my god, this is so beautiful. Wow. Yeah, I really love this. The first thing that I noticed about the remote is that the actual like buttons are like clear. So I love that. It's really sleek and clean. And then it's a little bit different this time. It's just white with this part right here, like the middle buttons in black. So it's really cute. I love that. So let's place the remote there, and then let's go ahead and open this and see what's in here. Okay, so this is to lay it down, because I believe you can lay the PlayStation 5 down, or you can stand it up, however you choose, however you want. In my opinion, I like it standing up. I think it looks nicer, and I think it shows off the console a little more. So this comes with it. I really like that it comes with this, because like I said, if you opt into laying down your console, I believe this is how you put it down. Yeah, like that. Okay, so that's how you do it, guys. I'm sorry, I'm like unboxing this as I go, so this is all new to me. So yeah, so it comes with this, and we're just gonna put this back in here. I just wanted to show you guys, I guess, what comes in this little compartment here. So, and then it also has this like cord right here. So let's just put this back in here for now. I'm gonna actually leave the remote out for you guys, because I really want to get into that. So I like the fact that they put everything so neat and like so easy for you to like put back. I like that. So this goes like that. Sorry guys. Yeah. Let's just put this back in here, because these are just the instructions and stuff like that. I'm gonna place that like that. So now we're gonna get to the good part, which is the actual console. Oh my god, I'm so excited. Let's take this out. Oh, I like that it has like this cardboard kind of thing, I guess, to protect the PS5 in the box. So we're gonna put this down. I'm gonna go ahead and take these out. Wow, this is really heavy, guys, by the way. Oh my god, I think this is like the biggest and heaviest console I've ever seen. So I mean, for the price I paid, I'm hoping it's, you know, something that's worth it. So it has this like wrapping on it. I like that. Whoever wrapped this, kudos to them. Oh my god. Wow. This is beautiful. Look at this, guys. This is beautiful. Alright, guys. So I'm going to stand it up. So this is how it looks standing up. And by the first looks, you know what? Let me move this here so I can throw that over there and place this over here. This is really heavy, guys, by the way. Okay, so just by looking at it, it looks so like sleek, and I like the fact that they made it look so futuristic. I love that. And that's the remote right there. So the first thing that I'm looking at right here is the power button, which is really cute. It's like really slim too. It's like a really cute little slim button there. And then it has the eject button for you to put your disc in or to remove it. And then it just has these two ports here in the front. I like that it has the actual Sony logo right here. It's really cool. It's like engraved, and then it has the PS5 here engraved. And then going to the back of the console, it just has the other ports. I really like this. This is really cool. I guess this is like, it looks like vents to me. And yeah, so that's basically just it. Let me just stop dragging it. Guys, I'm sorry. Just place it like this. So yeah, guys, this is such a nice console. If you guys haven't gotten your hands on it and you are opting into maybe in the future getting your hands on the new PS5, because I'm pretty sure they're gonna be doing more. They're gonna be doing another release or restocking on these. So I wish you guys a lot of luck. Like I said before, for me, I was very lucky because by the time that I had gotten mine, I had went back to the websites and they were all sold out. It was like crazy. A lot of my friends couldn't get their hands on, you know, on the console. So I'm really happy about that. And so yeah, guys, just leave me down any comments down below of what you guys think. If you guys did get your hands on the new PS5, or if you guys got an L. So just let me know. Yeah, I know Travis Scott actually released the same day of the console. I believe it was 12 midnight. He did like a video on YouTube, and he did like his own experience on the PS5, which was really cool. And he also did a surprise like raffle on his actual website, TravisScott.com. And he's releasing, well, he released some sneakers, some Dunks, that he collaborated with PlayStation, which was really dope. I actually entered. For those of you guys that didn't enter, I'm not sure if it's still open for you to enter again, or for you to enter, but I know I entered. And guys, please wish me luck. I believe he's only releasing 5 pairs of that specific Dunk, so it's really cool. And yeah, I'm hoping that I get to win. Like if I win, oh my god, I'll be so excited and so happy. So yeah, guys, let me know what you guys think of the new PS5. If you guys want me to do more videos on maybe doing a review or talking about a game that I played on the PS5, let me know in the comments down below. Guys, thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to hit like, rate, and subscribe, and I see you guys in my next video. Thank you. Bye.